Welcome to Glitter Buzz Style, and this is the hair buzz on Hot Tools 1-inch curling iron. Now, I don't use a lot of heating tools, so I received this product and I've been, doing my hair a little bit more frequently where I am flat ironing and curling my hair. So I figured, why not try this product out and see if it's all that. This is their 1-inch salon curling iron wand, and I love the pink fuchsia detail, very, very pretty. And it has a control dial, an extra long Q-tip, a power indicator light, an extra long thumb grip, a separate on and off switch, a photo-away safety stand, and it has the power spring clamp and the swivel cord. Okay, so the only issue that I have with this wand is that it doesn't get extremely hot on 280. I felt that the curl wasn't tight enough, so I had to use the heat setting of 330 to really get a tight curl, and that's when I really felt the heat up on the curling wand, and I just love the way it looked after that. So if you're looking for something that's more higher in heat when you're using this product, try to go up a notch, because 280 is very, very light with the heat, and I know it labeled as fragile for 280. Normal is 330, wavy to get that look is 380, and for very thick hair is 450. So I would recommend using 330 if your hair is on the normal side, and always use the heating styling tool to really get your hair secured with using any heating tools. Okay, so this is the hair look using the Hot Tools 1-inch curling wand, and it looks amazing. Nice shine, bounciness, and the curls look super glam. Okay, so for more fashion and beauty buzz, ladies, you know where to find me. Always on my blog at Glitter Buzz Style.